A very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are going to discuss a very important question of algorithms from time complexity. This was GATE 2007 question number 45. So the question here is, what is the time complexity of the following recursive function? The recursive function is given to you: int do something, int n. If n is less than or equals to 2, return 1, else return do something floor square root n plus n, right? And four options are given to us. So basically, if you will observe this function, this is the recursive part. This is the recursive part of the function. Okay. Now from this recursive part, we can generate recurrence relation. The corresponding recurrence relation for this would be t of n equals to t square root n, that is t under root n plus 1. Why I am taking 1? I can take it constant. Why I am taking this constant? Because we are finding time complexity. Basically, for any recursive function call, the function will be calling constant time, right? So I am generating it, I am taking it as c. So it is a recurrence relation. Now if you will observe here, let n equals to 2 to the power m. Because we want to solve it, so basically it is the generalization form. For generalization, we can take any value of n. We just need to answer this, right? So in that order, I am assuming that n equals to 2 to the power m. So if we'll solve, m would be a log n, right? If I will take log on both sides, m will generate log n, and I can write it like t to the power 2m equals to t 2 to the power m under root plus constant. Okay. Let's say t to the power 2m, t to the power t 2 to the power m equals to sm. Let's say like that. So how can I write this function? I can write it like s of m equals to s m by 2 plus constant, isn't it? I can write it like, because t to the power 2m equals to sm. So I have write like sm and t under root 2 to the power m. 2 to the power m is nothing but sm, under root is 1 by 2, like that. Now if I can apply master theorem here, I can apply master theorem here, right? If you will observe, the value of a is 1 here, value of b is 2 here, value of k is 0 here, and if you will say value of p, what is the value of p is 0 here. So if you know the rules of master's theorem, p is greater than -1. So what rule will apply? A equals to b to the power k. A equals to b to the power k. This rule will apply. And if you will observe here, I can directly write it like s of m equals to theta of log m. And you can generally use the rule of Master's theorem. According to that, I can write theta of log m, and m is nothing but log n. So I can further write it like t of n equals to theta of log n. Why? Because the value of m is log n. So if you will say, the answer for this question is option D, that log of log n. Basically 2, because here we are comparing operator is n is less than or equals to 2. So basically we have under root operator also, so 1 by 2. So base is 2 there, right? So option D is the correct answer for this question, that theta of log n, right? Option D is correct answer for this GATE question, right? If you have any doubt or any kind of query in this question, do comment. I will try to resolve as early as possible. Do comment, do subscribe, guys. Do like the video and share it with your friends. Have a very nice day, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.